Right, let's jump into the charts and I'll show you exactly how I personally use the MTF 50 EMA indicator. So right here on my chart, you see all of these lines. These lines represent the 50 EMA from different time frames. So for example, right now we're currently on the 1 minute. This gold line represents the 1 minute 50 EMA. This is the 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute. And then if you go up here, this is the 4 hour and 1 hour EMA, all on this one chart. So what I look for before I enter a trade is I look for market structure, meaning I want all of these EMAs moving in the same direction. I don't want them intertwined. They need to all be moving in the same direction. So once I identify trend, I wait for a pullback and rejection out of this EMA, whether it's the 1 minute, 3 minute, any one of these EMAs where the candle rejects out of the off of the EMA and gives you a sell alert. These sell alerts are designed to measure the dominancy and volume inside this candle. That's why you're getting a sell alert on this candle and none of these. So once you get that, you're going to go down here and you're going to hit your short position and you're going to place your entry at the bottom right here of this sell alert candle, and you're going to place your stop loss at the high, just like that. And you're going to shoot for a 2-to-1 risk to reward. So just like that. And then you're going to right click, create limit order, go to stop. You're going to get as close as you can to $250 or whatever you feel comfortable risking, and you're going to hit sell. And that's going to get your order set. So just like that. Now, this is how I manage my risk. So once I get triggered into a trade, I mark off a 1-to-1. So you move this up, and I'm doing all of this while I'm in a trade. So you got to be pretty fast. It could be close enough. It doesn't need to be. That's close enough. So there's your risk to reward 1-to-1. You're going to go down here and you're going to click this horizontal line and you're going to mark off that 1-to-1 and you're going to move this down back to a 2. You got to do all this while you're in here in the trade. Once the candle comes down and taps this horizontal line or crosses over it, you need to immediately move your stop loss down to break even to protect your capital. This is how I manage risk. Another very important key component to managing risk, is let me show you up here, is this candle right here gave us a buy. So let's just go over here and we're going to create limit order and we're going to pretend we're entering that. We're close enough to $250 and we're going to hit buy. So this order is set. If this candle next to this alert candle does not trigger you in, and it won't trigger you in until it taps this line right here. If it does not trigger you in, you need to cancel that order. Don't wait for the next candle. If this one does not trigger you in, you have to go over here and you have to cancel order just like that. The reason you do that is because you want to see this next candle have momentum. You want to see it rocket off of this EMA. So that right there, this is how I manage my risk every single day while I'm trading. So I'm really excited for you guys to finally start using this indicator, and I hope this video helps you better understand exactly how I personally use it every day in the market.